boys and girls, we're going to do some more number bonds. Number bonds are just another way to find how to make numbers. So there's two things that we need to know about numbers, number bonds. The whole is the number that's by itself. It's going to be the biggest number. And the parts are what we add together to find the whole. So if we know the whole, then we just subtract to find the missing part. If we know the two parts, we add them together to make the whole. So on the first one, the whole is 4. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. We know one of the parts is 2, so cross off 2. That leaves me with 2, and that's the part. On number 2, we know the two parts, but we don't know the whole, so we're going to add them together. So using your number line, start on 6 and count up 3. What's the answer? It's 9. On the next part, we know the whole, but we're missing a part, so we're going to subtract. We're going to draw 6, and then we cross off 5 of them. And how many are left? 1. Good. On number 4, we don't have to do anything because we can just use our strategy that we've done so many times. 10 friends. So what is 7's 10 friend? It's 3. Very good. And on number 5, we have 9 plus 1. That is also a 10 friend. So what's the missing whole? It's 10. And then on the last one, we know the whole, but we don't know the part. So we're going to subtract. So we draw 7. And we cross off 2. How many are left? 5. Good job, boys and girls. On the back, we're going to get a little bit of subtraction practice. So let's do the top, and then that will help us answer the bottom. 3 minus 3, when we subtract a number from itself, it's just 0. 4 minus 3, that's 1. Then we know that this is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So then when you find the equations below, you can just match them up at top. So 3 minus 3, 0. 10 minus 3, that's right here. The answer is 7. So go ahead and finish this side and then turn it into your teacher with your name at the top.